today we learn about the cloud computing.
So cloud computing basically a utility computing. Utility means the services that is used by the end user.
So US Department of Commerce uses these services and they have some guideline. This guidelines is provided by the NIST, National Institutes of Standard and Technology. Definition in the website, in the web pages of the cloud computing, but there is one standard definition that is provided by the NIST, and let's look their definition. According to that NIST definition of the cloud computing is a model for enabling ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand network access to share the pool of configurable computing resources like network, servers, storage, application and services that can be readily provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction. So nowadays we are using a lot of applications on the base of cloud computing. For example, YouTube, Gmail we are using. You don't know where your data is stored now. So this is a location independent kind of thing. This cloud model is composed of basically 5 essential characteristics, 3 service model and 4 deployment model. Let's look one by one what are the 5 essential characteristics, 3 service model and 4 deployment model. Move on to the essential characteristics. First characteristics is on-demand self-service. On-demand self-service means if we wish to use some applications, that application we can use very effortlessly and we pay for it, okay, like YouTube, Gmail. Broad network access. So with the help of broad network access, we can avail the services or avail the resources from the network. So this cloud computing facilitate the broad network access. We can use any homogeneous and heterogeneous kind of services according to our demand. Resource pooling. Resource pooling means here resource means we can use resource either the processor, storage, server or any kind of application or any kind of services. So this facility is there, and most important thing is this facility is location independent. We don't bother about where this something is stored. If I am using at present the YouTube, so we don't bother about where my data is stored and where the server is and where the server is located. So independently I can use the resources. Rapid elasticity. So suppose if any device want to be a part of this computing services, so without any much effort they become a part of that computing. So in this way the scalable and scalability is growing, okay. So you can say it is a very elasticity. If any system want to if any system don't want to be part of this one, it can easily remove from these services, okay. Major service basically if we want to control or optimize the services, we can control and optimize the services very easily. So all this was the 5 essential characteristics. If any cloud computing will be then it should have these 5 characteristics. Now service model. Service means what kind of service is provided by the companies or by the provider. So first, if we avail the applications services, if consumer avail the application services, then such kind of services is come under the software as a service. Now YouTube and Gmail kind of services we are using. If suppose we are using some applications, and if you want to deploy some application, you want to run some program, okay, and you want to deploy it, then we require the platform as a service, that is called PaaS. Infrastructure as a service means where the consumer want to avail the services of processing, storage, server and some limited network means where we can use the firewall kind of things. Then if such kind of services are availed by the consumer, then such kind of services come under the infrastructure as a service. So all these are the 3 service model, and this categorized on the basis of the service provided by the provider. Now deployment model. In the deployment model, we can basically categorize the deployment, or you can say the area of this computing. So first one is private cloud, where there is only one organization, and within that organization, within that premises, we avail the services of the cloud computing, and the particular member of that organization avail the services within the premises. So such kind of deployment of a cloud computing is called private cloud. Community cloud, where one or two or more than two organizations want to use the services within their own premises, then such kind of computing is called the, or deployment is called the community model. Public model, it is available for everyone, and anyone can avail. Again, like YouTube, anyone can avail, and such kind of services come under the deployment. Such kind of deployment is called the public cloud. And next is hybrid cloud, is a combination of private or public cloud. Okay. So that's it from my side, and the next lecture we are studying about the history or the evolution of the cloud computing. Thanks. Jai Hind.